chicken grillers. Look at all that cheesy goodness with that bacon. My favorite grocery store makes these chicken grillers, and they're absolutely delicious. But it's $7 per. That's a little expensive. I can make them under half price, especially if you get stuff good on sale. First, we're going to start with our boneless, skinless breasts. Lay them out, put them in a Ziploc bag, flatten them with a hammer or the bottom of a pan. Get them about a centimeter or about a 1/4 inch thick. Next, we're going to make the filling that we're going to wrap this in. I'm going to use some shredded cheddar and some bacon crumbles that I had baked earlier that I use for salads. Doesn't have to be an exact amount of cheddar because we're going to measure it when we put it in the chicken. We're going to use a couple of tablespoons.
2 cups.
No, 2 tablespoons.
But I want 2 cups.
Okay, mix in the bacon. Mix that all together. Get out some wax or parchment paper. And I'm going to get some Parmesan cheese out that we're going to coat it with. And the strips of bacon. We're going to need 2 strips per chicken breast griller that we're going to do. Once that's all out and you're ready to prep, take the flattened chicken breast, put 2 tablespoons approximately of filling. Fold up the edges from the side to the top. Take your bacon strips, put them crisscross, and then wrap them up around the chicken. Use some toothpicks to keep them in place. Then I'm going to coat with the Parmesan cheese, just a little breading to put on there. Now put these in a casserole dish or on a cookie sheet, one that has deep edges so it'll catch the chicken fat. I'm going to use all that extra cheese and put it on top. That is also optional, but who doesn't love more cheese?
See, I know why we should add 2 more cups.
Why cheesy?
Because it would be Gouda.
Next, in a preheated oven, 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius, we're going to cook for 45 minutes if it's on a cookie sheet, or an hour or if they're closer together like in this casserole dish that you see here. Finally, we plate. Take out the toothpicks. You can use a fork and your fingers. It'll give you more leverage to get the toothpicks out and less chance of you burning yourself on the chicken when it's hot, fresh out of the oven. We'll show you a cross section here. And the taste test. Delicious. Highly recommended. Thank you for watching.
Hey, Randy.
What?
Why does the chef never make charcuterie boards around anybody else?
I don't know why, Mr. Cheesy.
Because he cuts the cheese. He cuts a lot of okay.
If you like this video, watch one of my other ones. Hit the subscribe button. I'll see you next time on Randy's Family Kitchen.